Hello and welcome to Draw with Elena. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to use one white piece of paper, brown, black, and red markers with one brown crayon. Let's get started. We're going to start with our brown marker and we're going to make a diamond shape near the center of our page, but not too far up, not too far low, because we'll need room for our little nose. Well, our rather big nose, our big red nose. So you've drawn your triangle shape, diamond shape, and then I'm going to make an arch shape that goes almost all the way to the top of the page. I'll do the same on this side. This is where our antlers are going to go. And then you make another arch shape and another arch shape like this. And then we're going to do it again. Make two arch shapes like that. Now I'm going to make another arch shape here at the corner and another arch shape here in the corner. There we are. Now we're done with brown. Oh, you know what? He probably needs a body. So we'll make a line that goes right down to the edge of our page. It looks kind of silly without eyes, don't you think? I sure do. Let's get our black marker and give our little guys some eyes. So go ahead and draw a circle in each, and then divide that circle in half and color it in. There, those are some nice little eyes, aren't they? Did you ever notice that reindeers usually have a couple little spots over here by their nose and where their cheeks would be? Well, I suppose they are their cheeks, aren't they? Those are where they have very, very fine whiskers. So we'll give them a couple little dots. Now we're going to use red. This is the most exciting part. I'm going to give him a big nose like that. I think I'm going to go ahead and color in this nose too. Has a lot of drama when we color it in, doesn't it? It makes me kind of wonder if Rudolph would be okay with us giving him a couple bowl balls. Let's just make some little dots like this. And we're doing what's called improvising. Improvising is what we do when we think, hey, I have an idea. I think I'm going to try it. Let's use black. And we'll draw little lines like this to our bowl balls, just like he's got ornaments hanging off of his antlers. That's really silly, isn't it? There you have it. Maybe we should give him nostrils too. Two little black dots there too. Now that's just silly. Whenever I use red and black and brown, I think those are really nice color combinations. They would make a great color for a bedroom. All right, last but not least, we're going to get brown. And we're going to start coloring in our fur. Just imagine how soft and fluffy this fur is. Reindeers are real, you know. They live up in Norway, all the way up by the North Pole. And it's cold there, so their fur is very thick and warm. They never have to wear a jacket. Can you imagine going outside in the cold and never wearing a jacket? That sounds pretty good. But I think it would also be very difficult with that bath time. All right, I'm leaving the little guy's white around his eyeballs. Now we're going to go ahead and color in the body. And we've made a very simple Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. This is so simple, I think that it could be duplicated, which means you could draw it lots of different times. Maybe you want to make some Christmas cards or holiday cards for your family and friends. And you can draw lots of little reindeer on folded pieces of paper. That could be really fun. And then you could say, oh, I don't know, I think I'm going to put my name on it as well. That could be fun. You can make cards, and then you can say, love, Elena. Well, really, it's your name, not mine. You put your name in there, because that would be very silly. They'd wonder who Elena was, wouldn't they? Well, I'm pretty pleased with our little reindeer. What do you guys think? I'd love to see what you come up with in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Great job, everybody.